Well, a Dwaso Nsem Fabɛwɔso dwumadie edebro ewo Dwaso Nsem Adom 106.3 FM sa nkɔmɔ a yɛdi DBS roofing sheets adaroma na afei Vitamin kadaroma Franco Trading Enterprise one nso adaroma na san nkɔmɔ we yɛde ebro. Dwelling on a report of the Auditor General on special audits or carry out on selected state institutions in the year 2018. And tension beko Electoral Commission any Ayonkofobia by System Limited abeto wontem. Well, yebekenkan report no na fe yewo ensema esisi ebusa na anamonso a esisi etu na kwenye bema onso watimi agebre na fe watimi enso de wadwenkyere e de abrem. Okay, a report of the Auditor General on special audits carried out on selected state institutions. In this case, we are starting with the Electoral Commissioner. Now, clearly, report Yadansia Dinis over the financial years 2016-2017. Ayonkofobia a course between the Electoral Commission and a buy system limited. No, Enyadia Ayonkofa Papa. Making say there was no agreement between the Electoral Commission and Buy System Limited, who obtains electoral data, patro emphasis, electoral data from the Commission and offers it to the financial institutions for a fee. We further noted that we, as in this report, the Auditor General report, we further noted that Buy System Limited failed to remit the 20% commission due the Electoral Commission in respect of charges for accessing data for the 2016 and 2017 financial years. And you remember recommendation also. But the here kesepane ayonkofa, the kind of ayonkofa, ebeto by System Limited, any Electoral Commission. And namuntua only 2 year enya kwenyanya ho eye information bia na enam eye ne kwanso. Sa information a woni nya ye no so dwumadi a na woni edikodi no na yade a woni edikodi dwuma ebe mo hono sika. Ni nyina mu no a certain percentage of sales sika na say won dey back to ye futumi as Electoral Commission. It was not forthcoming. Enti Dwaso anu say we recommended to management to furnish the agreement on the existing contract, if any, for our review. We also urge management to recover all outstanding commission due the Electoral Commission within 30 days from the date of the management letter, failing which the contract should be abrogated and the persons who approved and authorized the transaction surcharged accordingly. We reviewed contract files and found that 3 directors of the commission who are members of the entity tender committee doubled as members of tender evaluation panels, tender evaluation panels, and evaluated several tenders contrary to section 261 of the procurement manual on the Public Procurement Act 2003 at 663. We recommended to the commission to discontinue the practice and ensure that the tender evaluation panels are empaneled in accordance with public procurement law prescriptions with the view of ensuring transparency in the procurement process. We reviewed 40 contracts awarded by the Commission and noted that 30 of them exceeded the Entity Tender Committee's approval threshold. The Commission did not refer them to the Central Tender Review Board for sanctioning. We urge management to refer all the affected contracts to the Central Tender Review Board for ratification within 30 days from the date of this management letter and our office notified, failing which the expenditure may be disallowed and the authorizing and paying officers surcharge. We found obsolete stores such as computers, photocopiers, Polaroid cameras, printers, UPS, steel cabinets, and other consumables occupying precious space and gathering dust at the head office of 5 regional office stores. We recommended to management to dispose of the items as early as possible to avoid congestion, further deterioration, and to minimize the risk of the items losing value. Meko other issues are abba up so. But adia bakwa as I say and say ejuma sooner a buy system limited one ye and say adia only who kwans on sakano through electoral commission, for instance, and personal information, age, marital status, sex, thumbprint, all those things, no, it's been sold. It's been sold to a private company by name Buy Systems. Are you safe? Mesum ye safe now. And what's the basis for Sa Anamontua a commission etuyeno? Edi ehu anade mfasodie na eko bi ho anade nhwe han na obi aye na obi di 6 eda na 9. And this is what I'm talking about. Buy Systems for no akwanya wonanya enter most of us your privacy without consent. Ehun komo ana ebedi. We ye krata Auditor General what to anamo what to on certain specific state institutions, in this case Makacho Electoral Commission. Say one share one juma one di. Say jumedia one di no eniso anase enye niso. But the emani ehuni say ene kwa da wo ho a. Eye de ne de wo Kwabena Asante. Wo listo we fojo. Eye de na okokuo mu nsem. Nyoma bia eni ho kwanse ni pabinim hu. Niema bia eni kwanse ni pabinim te. Saa de na ewo kokuo ma ye bon tofa age o man ne nya otu hu anamon. Ye de ko shan krankra bisa. Why? And why? Why? Why should you take such a decision? Why should you make such a movement? Aunim professor enya de pa. Emwa ma yen nyina ya setrem no bibia ntimi nimu anwie pa ye fa man. There are a lot of questions about people's privacy being invaded, sold out. Sometimes ubusa say na why cry na ehwe de re akwohye ne mu. Sometimes ubusa say so obi nya akwanya kotena konwa nim say ogina Ghana anem ama Ghana ye de atimi akoso akonkan a ampasa sa nipekuo na nankofo no almost serve that interest, that bigger interest of Ghana nana. This is one unique issue. Extremely dangerous. Uncalled for. Ojino on tiasie. If we say me obi nim me kukuo masem without my consent. Na a true and institutional me de me ro ashem ana sa apon akoto abontia. This is jumekone de buy Systems Limited. Obtaining data, electoral data. And data what goes into them breaking down the amount. Say no maybe ohonoma minute tigo na waha. Apart from say buying this information, no, tigo grant me with information about me, but I'm exposed now. I'm exposed. And this is between our electoral commission and a company by name, private company by name, Buy Systems Limited. Ojina wa obusa on say ehefa na ya bedri na den na ebinim de boapayo na etimoden say asotwe kese bia ni ho e de ma na na ana ehu bia na obi aso. Nobody's been responsible for anything. Could that be the case? And why should it happen so? Why? Why should it happen so? That yen ye data. Yen ye hunsem. We see nothing wrong giving it out, selling it out to a private company. And this company Buy Systems Limited. Why? Why? Well, yebesa atuasanko, but ma yenkwa homano so quickly na yenkodinko maybe Dr. Benjamin Ochiri, honestly an advocate for some of these things, or a citizen. That's what he wants me to believe. Dogumo na pom to say.
Omanhene.
Well, ya twe madwene sisi ase me nkomo a masha se di wa hanum say a auditor general report on certain specific state institutions no also akenkan sa krata ni na okra de also the krata in this form petition called electoral commission parliament and auditor general did kan anamonto se bi o
anamonto mature petition they come Data Protection Commission, Electoral Commission, Parliament of Ghana, and the Auditor General. The same thing is the don't man see so no. Or can say on my citizens, me and yes spectators. The top fan woman say on my man my yet as a high. Na young fire share among women na on no etumi enu bedi a ye nyina yepe na ekoba ni say na me as a citizen inua ebusu ni bia ono de private information akoma electoral commission say ye the information ni ko na ye the atoaba for electoral purposes only na electoral commission etumi aton sa information at a company called buy system. First of all, when a man to me say, open your tone, maybe once at the private institution. Now, private institution also acquire tone at the financial institutions. It is a entry. Now, Senator Mimma and Sama, maybe the autocrat, Ebeba Bontinti. It's just a hint, say, I am taking this case up until the very last day. They will say we have resolved it to a point at me makum and then Ghana for air panel in nine sadaka. But you know say oh my mama how to mean text message. If the institutions that is I will say no me then
number.
Me number. Obi to me from a boarding you know to a Benjamin Kwabena Asante.
Yeah.
Na nipa ni yes na akwa yes nipa na onu ni so well say otunya bodi na fraud ni niam bi ekoso na say yenyina ye de ye were ahye institutions opanyin and so and several others can say we should build strong institutions and not strong personalities. And how do we build electoral commission? Yenyina ye won sema e dia ma electoral commission no we want to be a ton e dia ma private company and no the business. Now, some power who call you or some financial institution. Now, how we are sent to test, come for loan from this, come and do this, and no here. Now, said that they are coming same Pino. In some time, media Kukrata. Send them Data Protection Commission. We have a question to answer. Say, it is not just a committee, a whole commissioner, or more, more, you need to me, I shall say. They have to protect my data, irrespective of where it is found. Then or what? Then or more year at the account. Auditor General, the Minister, say, who be bisa what to me at the above one tell me who say, Swamp Electoral Commission now, Yenina, or Mensi can a bone, Yen information now, ye considered as private, or what to me a company say, on some company, there is ya woman say, 20% are empo. NSSN ka esina 20% now say ka buy system at the electoral commission or no control information in my financial institutions. No, I don't think this is right. And to go in line with what the president said, I want to be a citizen, not a spectator. But didn't go into detail what I have written. These institutions are going to be petitioned. Now, whatever I will take it to, I have to.
But Doc, and yet advocate one as you know.
And I make her say, say, Father,
yeah, but clearly, what will be
in this country will call. Let me say, department who are problem. How they get your data, and this is one of the means. By systems, you know, a coin pen on fast or secure your data. AIMCC, a coin pen on fast or Munya, and Madame the Mahu coin or no electoral commission, or they name the private information and the man for a purpose, or the private company. No, also cocoton, or just a name information, and no buy systems all done. They will hear from me very soon.
But even before they hear from you, they've caused a lot of damage.
Yes. Yes, because they see I bet you will lose the trust we have for electoral commission. Say that can be no information be a day bro, some number and then 112 and 113. Because we didn't found the be out before. Let's look at the broader picture and its consequence it will have on the nation at large. Say, a Timothy, you see, young offer information and my electoral commissioner. One party, the young be said, information and my electoral officers, yet the best year. Now, Data Protection Commission on Juma Bena, yet they say on Sasso Minima or mine.
But data protection, yeah.
There is a whole commission. Data Protection Commission, 10 or more years. Nti asemi ba ento omonte dia minua bia otia kurasia nyame adom na ama mi menya radio so kasa minua bia o ba bia onya kwan no so tumi nkire na dwen no esese mi mutu anamo a ebebo oman no ban na boye nyina ye information so e ho ban.
But doc, what will be the basis sir commissioner agreement we have with you ni say Omanhene Kwabena Asante and they or say or what didn't you say or you say media ma if say make beji krata be everywhere ebema me to me am a active member osha and media to aba osha contract na e wo me electoral commission term ne say esan say me beji card bi am de koto aba everywhere ntino. That is why also me onchiche mu no memfa saa eye nneoma we nyina emma na entimi ndi mu we peyo. So what to be what
Council say memfa saa information we ma na fasi.
Exactly so. It dear potty pa ne be masa akugudro no aba na wona timetu saa na mo no.
You me say me pese me kire me nsem na as I said, senior Nathan was say when the hunters have learned to shoot without missing, the birds will learn to fly without pecking. The Chiramin is a movie. One 75 1 a besha say at pay, and we hear be out the dama. They may petition the fire. Now the deadline to all those concerned. And I already asked the Auditor General has said they had no basis at all to have given the information out. In the Mesro, a media council. Now, mean Trimupino, they say some institutions have questions to answer. Electoral Commission has a question to answer. Data Protection has a question to answer.
All right.
We are the Biakoma Auditor General, not the Biakoma Parliament. Only a Dimra shop on some say, or Mrs. Mra or Mine. Now, swamp or Mrs. Review of far. Say, the information my electoral commissioner or between Yakoton and over to Dan Ediama private company.
Dr. Benjamin Ochi, minute back with Jinasuma Mesaba back to you now for your report on this matter. Mamen Kwaumasuna Evans Software do a senior IT consultant, University of Ghana. What SMBC is here, one on the Ebejin Chemupa, and in him dear pa a free one home. Evans, Yadasi, Machina Boko dear.
I'm not sure I want to make a pay.
Your friend Omanhene Kwabena Asante.
Oh, that's a patch of Biaboko, Namoto.
Yamiadum, Bibia, kama. Ye didn't come na common jina a report of the Auditor General and Special Auditor or carry out on selected state institutions. Institutional okay. So and pay a electoral commission. Nadia ye hunise ye information ye de come electoral commission purposely say on kipu because ye pekrat if you let me at abano. Some information has been given to a private company by name Buy Systems Limited. Na aye kissing ne kakra wo musu adie no se adie udi komo obi so onkra na echire okujam tu obi ho na nipa ne de ye adwuma ensusu so be na ebenya wo me Kwabena Asante so ana Dr. Benjamin Ochi ne mekaze
me pacho I cover it will amount to in telecom, science, technology, it amounts to CIA compromise. Let's say the credibility, the integrity, and the availability of that data, is compromised. And to your bony, like I say, it will even amount to meddling. Okay, I say, election meddling. And but then after 2016 elections, some of us, Leonard Ghanaians are catching for penny for. I catch for Kumao, penny for. I name IT systems move, and instead they will carry data, from boundaries to boundaries. What goes into it, I took it upon myself as a Leonard Ghanaian catch penina. Okay, I say, Masum University of Ghana, Masum of my. I wrote to Honorable Gian Mensa, Sister Penny, say, Charlotte say, catch Ghana for say our election, systems were hacked after 2015. The Ghana 40 year. I think that people went to sleep, but some of us did not go to sleep on that, allegation, And there were grapevine stories say Democrat and it took credit for, the meddling. Now 3 years on, we wrote a letter to the EC commissioner. And then I outlined a couple, issues, procurement, some, how are they, the redundancy of the IT systems, the regional level from the national level, to the, granular level, to about the BIA or Pantia BIA. How does this, get transmitted to, the, lecture, headquarters, and so forth. That's in there, Charles Botman, or a member of University of Ghana, the head of telecom engineering of University of Ghana. Omunya letter no crown or respond to the issues that I raised. And I raised the issues as a concerned Ghanaian. Said it. IT system, these are some of the issues that will come up, and if they will respond to that letter now, if you say BBR, very fine. Because procurement is a big deal when you are doing some of these decisions. Yeah.
But the fear is that in personal information, purposely for Adia Potibia Menidaso, that information has been given or sold out. Why? That's my fear.
And what compliance framework did they follow? Okay, I mentioned say in that case, it will amount to the compromise of the CIA of data transmission. That's all, and it amounts to the credibility, the integrity, and the availability of that data. How in whose hands is it going to land?
Me as Ghana need this year. What can I do?
Who can I need this year? No, I thought to me or yesterday. Now catch them company. Now catch them or local area. Will be no say in the airport because the telephone should know better. What do I say? Systems are running everywhere, and it's not even hard to do. So we have procurement for somebody to handle data. Very important here. We should do like an open tender. And now so we selective crowd. University of Ghana, they have systems that work in this country. Oko data, Oko NCA, they have all these policies. What informed the Electoral Commission, in the choice of that company or managing that data systems? It's simple,
Sir, me personal data and information I could do be what man farm man. Adiana, a bit messy on.
I say, you can't say, they call it, how do they, the lawyers, know better. What to me, the Omanhene and whoever is in charge, a caucus, say, with data has been compromised. Very simple. Class actions too. Yeah, that's what's going to happen. And there will be chaos, because people that are supposed to know better, they don't follow procedures and, compliance and, frameworks. And these are standards I want, baby. So, IT there, then you do IT, Papa. Not effect, because it's not even hard to do.
Era Evans, unchile cross sama mayam shishena kosro kese pa. Chese, I'm just Madame Nego abonti asem ne yekan yo.
Sana pepe. So say America Mosano, we say bia o credit card company, e bia Discover. Yes, I'm up for hacking systems. Sana che o my ani actually abroad the check abroad say na coin you discard because your data was compromised. Sana che ani a mini check abroad. Because somebody, that was, in charge of your data, he dropped the ball. And, then they compensate you and then they move on. Now they try to make the system redundant and more better. Airports, pilots, I kind of say, also an airport size, BR size, near there. they try to protect data because they're a very big deal. We are in an information age now. Now we are even going to the knowledge age. Data now, informed people want that data now. What's the Facebook so people are, cloning and getting data information all over and that data will be to our also in the business analytic world, So we're going to business intelligence, Somebody needs that data. And the crowd be. And you talk about meddling. This is a classical example of potential, meddling, if we don't look at all these things.
Well, Ira Evans Safodu, senior IT consultant, University of Ghana. I think said made the one woman to pay because what's our mama yem she no console kesiye pa. Yes, because
to keep up. Yeah.
Because me judgment ko bi tum na me de me ho abakosem ne me ho information akoma ho. That's why I have a fear. And in these times,
All right, I've got a demographic. Yeah, we'll be the Yep. Let's keep that discussion going.
Okay, all right. All right. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful, Evans for doing that senior IT consultant. All right. So, Dr. Ochiri, what so? Hey. What's your smoker?
You senti na meka asem nka septi no o ka septi ya nipa ne bi nya wano asem o de agina so apete ne defense enti embrepam no on beti yanka
Dr. Ochiri no wase na menhye metiefo ne mahwefo boss enye nkoma ye twa so because sa ade we de is so dangerous for say be masade e be twa so e be say am say na ukuada yebesa toasa enkomo weso that agreement between Electoral Commission and then Buy System Limited ton home information they are a private company it is expose you to too much of danger yebedisa enkomo yebetoaso ukuada but be part of the conversation 0302 216-561 and 0302-216-562 and come on yedi one say no opesa also de wa dwenkyere be ka homa 0302-216-561 and 0302-216-562 yen share kwa be fa so a wo information a odi akogu ba bia uje sa adwumaku ni di no enkoto ba bi basa na aba ne say no again anamoni bitime for make out say sa fa ba so dwumadi DBS roofing sheets adarama and a vital milk so adarama and a Franco Trading Enterprise one so adarama na sa enkomo we ye de ebro bio make out DBS roofing sheets vital milk and a Franco Trading Enterprise one adarama na sa enkomo we ye de ebro 0302-216-561 and 0302-216-562 now so for adwenche brain na yentimi enisa yen common ewa hanum say Fabɛwɔso edwumadie no ana yetwa so ewa hanum no